right? What is demerit?
Opposite.
Yes. Yes. You're smart. Okay. Don't judge by the appearance. How about this sentence?
Don't judge.
Judge.
Don't judge by appearance.
That's the good saying. And then the next page. Here are the characters for our role play. The first one. The man is main character. You see, he is an undecided guy. Undecided guy. Is he good at deciding? No. Yes. He wants to be an announcer.
Yeah.
To be an announcer, appearance is important.
Yes.
Yes. Pass first and second test, but fail only third test of the interview or camera test for the announcer 10 times. That's the problem for him. Very serious